Hello and welcome everyone to the 6th UI GreenMetric World University Ranking Workshop 2020. I'm honored to represent the host university, University of Zanjan, to introduce our sustainable and green activities on campus. First of all, the Zanjan city is located at the northwestern part of the country, Iran, which is a semi-arid area, and the campus is located on the western part of the city, as shown by a red dot on the slide. The campus covers 100 hectares of land, including main buildings, administrative, educational and research, student accommodations, as well as major research and educational farms, which is shown by green at the south part of the map. On the national and international level, we have a diverse range of collaborative activities on sustainable development. A brief list follows. We are acting as the international SDG number 15 hub of the United Nations Academic Impact. The university is the member of the Communication, Education and Public Awareness Committee for the Convention on Biological Diversity in Iran. It is also the Iran's NCP of the European Union's Horizon 2020 on food security, sustainable agriculture, marine and maritime research and bioeconomy. We have participated in preparing the 6th National Report on Biological Diversity in Iran. We have also participated in international meetings and workshops of Convention on Biological Diversity, and we are obviously organizing and hosting the 6th National International Workshop on UI GreenMetric World University Ranking and Forestry, Biodiversity, Wildlife, World Environment Day, and desertification and drought. The university has also participated in many United Nations sustainable activities and international and national collaborations on research projects, including on renewable energies, natural resources management, environmental studies, biodiversity management, and on sustainable water and soil management with focus on the water, energy, and food nexus. Regarding our green activities on campus, well, we are obviously very sensitive on fresh and wastewater treatment. We have constructed an extensive for wastewater collection and transmission lines. There are also 2 major wastewater treatment plants on campus with more than 1,000 cubic meters per day inlet flow, currently working and treating wastewater. The third one is a new granular biomass water treatment method with more efficiency and little land use. It's already under construction. A waste collection and recycling plant is established at the university in 2019 based on an innovative method of producing high-protein animal feed. Since 2017, we have equipped polymers, major buildings, mechanical services into smart, controlled equipment. Regarding renewable energy sources, we are working reduction of natural gas solar panels consumption by almost 50% to produce photovoltaic electricity as a clean source of energy. Green space development is of a major interest at the university. We have been planting thousands of trees for more than a decade on campus. So we now have local forests. Setting up an office automation system helped us to reduce paper and there are many other interesting ongoing projects at the university, some of which has led us to be honored as the 48th World's Most Sustainable University in 2019 UI GreenMetric World University Rankings, and do our best on our path to greener, more sustainable university. And thank you very much for your attention.